In this video, you'll learn how to set up sub-accounts on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to create and manage separate accounts under your main account for various purposes such as strategy separation or team management. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing in to your main account. This account will have control over the sub-accounts. Once logged in, locate your profile or dashboard menu, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Look for an option labeled sub-accounts or account management. Before proceeding, ensure that your account type supports sub-accounts, as availability may vary based on your region account level. It is essential to determine the reasons for creating sub-accounts, whether for tracking different portfolios or managing a team. Next, you will create a new sub-account. Click on the Create Sub-Account option. When prompted, assign a clear and recognizable name to the sub-account to help you identify it easily in the future. Set the appropriate login access and permissions according to who will utilize the sub-account and the activities they will be permitted to perform. If trading permissions are necessary, enable them selectively to minimize potential risks. If API access is required, generate API keys with strict limitations, ensuring that you do not grant more permissions than necessary. After adjusting these settings, carefully review the withdrawal and transfer permissions, as these controls are particularly sensitive. After establishing the sub-accounts, you will need to fund them. Transfer funds from your master account to the newly created sub-account using internal transfers. This method helps you avoid external fees associated with withdrawing and depositing funds. It's important to keep track of the balances in each sub-account to maintain an accurate understanding of where your funds are allocated. Regularly monitor the activity logs of each sub-account to detect any unexpected actions that may require your attention. Establish a routine to review permissions and strategies on a weekly basis to ensure they remain aligned with your overall goals. If you find that a sub-account is no longer needed, it is advisable to disable it rather than leaving it active and potentially forgotten. This practice helps to maintain security and organization within your account structure. Additionally, keep backup records of all transfers and trades for auditing and reporting purposes. This step ensures that your sub-account system remains organized, secure, and manageable, allowing you to maintain control over your trading activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.